Hi everybody, this is George again. If you're new to this channel, check out the other blues and G videos too, as they all build on each other. And support this channel by clicking on the thumbs up button and please write a little comment. In video 17 I have introduced the G7 13th chord, played with the root and ninth on the first string. In video 16 I showed how to play the C7 ninth chord with a 5th and a 13th on the E string. Let me give you a little example how to put them together. I hope you now feel like trying it out yourself. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and stay tuned. See you soon.